Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we keep you updated on the latest gadgets that are shaping the future of technology. If you've ever wanted to see the world from a completely new angle, this video is for you. DJI has returned with the Avata 2, a drone that blends speed, control, and cinematic visuals into one exciting package. The original Avata already had a strong following, especially among FPV drone fans. But the Avata 2 takes things further. DJI has improved stability, added smarter features, and delivered a drone that works for both beginners and advanced flyers. Whether you want to race through tight spaces, capture smooth cinematic shots, or simply explore from above, this drone has the power and flexibility to deliver. Design-wise, the Avata 2 stays compact and light, but with improvements that make it feel even more refined. It weighs around 410 grams, so it's easy to carry. The propeller guards are built in, which adds durability and safety when flying in close quarters. DJI has clearly designed this drone for immersive FPV flying, where crashes can happen, and it feels ready for that challenge. The camera is where the Avata 2 shines. It features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor with up to 48 megapixels and can shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second. The wide-angle lens delivers a 155-degree field of view, giving you that fast-moving FPV look. Colors are rich, details are sharp, and low-light performance is noticeably better than the first Avata. DJI also added advanced stabilization with Rocksteady and Horizon Steady, making sure your footage stays smooth even during sharp turns or quick dives. Performance in the air is nothing short of thrilling. The Avata 2 is faster and more agile than its predecessor, with a top speed of around 97 km per hour in manual mode. The response time is quick, giving you full control over every movement. For those who are just starting out, there are normal and sport modes, which slow things down and add safety features. More experienced pilots can switch to manual mode for that true FPV racing experience. Battery life has been improved too. The Avata 2 can fly for up to 23 minutes on a single charge, which is impressive for an FPV drone. It's not the longest flight time compared to standard camera drones, but for FPV-style flying, it's solid. Charging is also faster with the new power hub, so you can spend more time in the air and less time waiting. DJI has also introduced better connectivity with O4 transmission technology. This gives you clearer video feed at 1080p with lower latency and a range of up to 13 kilometers. For FPV flying, where instant response is crucial, this upgrade makes a huge difference. The goggles that come with the Avata 2 are lighter and more comfortable, with sharper displays that make flying more immersive than ever. When it comes to software and features, DJI hasn't held back. The Avata 2 includes return to home, low battery warnings, obstacle detection, and emergency braking. These features add peace of mind, especially for beginners. It also integrates with DJI Fly app for easy editing and sharing of footage. AI-based enhancements help stabilize video and even suggest quick edits, saving creators time. The drone also supports creative modes like hyperlapse, panorama, and cinematic flight paths. These modes help you capture shots that look professional without requiring hours of manual control. Whether you're vlogging, shooting content for social media, or just making memories, the Avata 2 makes it simple. For audio, DJI added a neat touch. The drone can record ambient sound from the controller, capturing your reactions during flights. This is fun for FPV creators who want to share the thrill of flying along with the visuals. Price is another important factor. The Avata 2 comes in at a higher cost than entry-level drones, but when you look at the features, it's clear why. It offers professional-grade footage, fast performance, and strong safety features. For FPV fans, it delivers excellent value. It's not the cheapest drone, but it's one of the most balanced in its class. Now let's talk about pros and cons. The pros include stunning video quality, excellent stabilization, fast and agile flight, strong connectivity, and improved goggles. It's durable with built-in propeller guards and has smart safety features that help beginners. On the downside, flight time is still limited compared to standard drones, and the price may feel high for casual users. Also, FPV flying has a learning curve, so new users may need time to master manual mode. In the end, the DJI Avata 2 is a drone that excites both the heart and the mind. It's fun to fly, it delivers breathtaking footage, and it's built with enough safety features to welcome newcomers. At the same time, it has the speed and control that experienced FPV pilots demand. DJI has found the sweet spot between accessibility and performance. If you've been waiting for a drone that can make you feel like you're inside the cockpit, the Avata 2 delivers that immersive experience. It's more than just a flying camera. It's a tool for creativity, adventure, and exploration. That wraps up our review of the DJI Avata 2. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay ahead with the latest tech, make sure to subscribe to Tap Tech. We'll keep bringing you reviews that are clear, authentic, and straight to the point. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where tech meets simplicity. Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired.